बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। मेडिकल लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो शेयर कर रहा हूँ। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो बच्चे जो कि नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स हमारे, उनको ये वीडियो ज़रूर बेनिफिट देगी। Pakistan Medical Commission has announced the syllabus for medical and dental college admissions test that is called MDCAT 2023. The syllabus has been finalized after consultation with various stakeholders, and it has been ensured that no topic is outside the current syllabus of any board in Pakistan. MDCAT 2023 syllabus is announced after the National Medical and Dental Council's meeting held on June 4, 2023. The weightage of the subjects in MDCAT is the same as that is 2022. As per details, 34% of questions in MDCAT will be from biology, 27% from chemistry, and 27% from physics, 9% from English, and 3% from logical reasoning. MDCAT paper shall consist of a total of 200 MCQs based on the approved percentage. MDCAT 2023 structure: total number of MCQs will be 200. Duration of MDCAT test will be 3.5 hours. Format will be paper-based MCQs. Minimum pass marks for medical college admission is 65. Minimum pass marks for dental college is 55%. No negative marking. MDCAT 2023 difficulty level: 20% MCQs will be easy and 60% MCQs will be moderate and 20% MCQs will be hard. In biology, chemistry and physics sections, 70% of questions will be recalled and 30% will be application level. Content list for biology syllabus for MDCAT 2023: biodiversity, bioenergetic, biological molecules, cell structure and function, coordination and control, diversity among animals, enzymes, evolution, life process in animals, and reproduction, support and movement, variation and genetics or inheritance. Content list for chemistry syllabus for MDCAT: introduction to fundamentals concepts of chemistry, atomic structure, gases, liquids, solids, chemical reaction, kinetics, I don't know what is this, thermochemistry, electrochemistry, chemical bonding, S and P block elements. Students know better what is S and P block. Transaction elements, fundamental principles of organic chemistry. Now it is the content list for physics syllabus: force and motion, work and energy, waves, current, electricity. I will paste all the contents in the description list. So it is the long list. I am pasting it in the description of this video. Logical reasoning, critical thinking, lateral symbol series, logical deduction, logical problems, cause for action, cause and action. These are the basic information regarding MDCAT 2023. It was about the syllabus which you have to study before the examination. Hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, I request all the students to share this, and also subscribe my channel Raja Tariq Ullah. Thank you very much, and I wish you best of luck and bright future. Allah Hafiz.